Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting action cameras on the market right now, the Insta360 X4 Air. If you're someone who loves capturing life in 360 degrees, creating immersive videos, or just pushing the boundaries of your creativity, this little gadget is about to blow your mind. Whether you're a professional content creator, an adventure enthusiast, or just someone who loves documenting every moment, the X4 Air has a lot to offer. In this video, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know, from design and performance to unique features, editing, and even some insider tips to get the best out of your camera. The first thing you notice about the Insta360 X4 Air is its design. It's sleek, compact, and incredibly portable. This is not just an action camera. It's a 360 degrees powerhouse that fits in your pocket. The touchscreen interface is highly intuitive, making it easy to navigate through all the modes and settings without feeling overwhelmed. Its lightweight design is perfect for carrying around on hikes, trips, or even just city explorations. Despite being small, it feels durable and well-built, giving you the confidence to take it anywhere. It's also splash-proof, which means minor weather conditions like rain or accidental splashes won't ruin your shooting day. Though, of course, it's not fully waterproof like some other specialized action cameras. When it comes to image and video quality, the X4 Air really shines. It shoots stunning 5.7K 360 degrees videos, which are perfect for immersive footage that truly captures the essence of the environment around you. For photos, it delivers 18 MP stills that are vibrant, sharp, and detailed. The colors pop, the contrast is natural, and the overall image quality is remarkable for such a compact device. But what really makes the video experience stand out is the flow state stabilization. Even if you're running, biking, or riding a scooter over a bumpy trail, the footage remains silky smooth, almost as if you're gliding through the scene. This is a game changer for anyone trying to capture high-quality adventure footage without bulky stabilizers. One of the most fun features of the Insta360 X4 Air is the bullet time effect. If you've ever seen those slow-motion shots where the camera seems to orbit around a subject in midair, that's bullet time, and it's absolutely mesmerizing when used correctly. Whether you're jumping, dancing, or performing tricks on a skateboard, this effect adds a cinematic flair that is sure to grab attention. Another feature that creators love is automatic horizon leveling, which ensures that your footage remains perfectly horizontal even if your camera tilts or rotates unexpectedly. Add in 360 degrees live streaming and AI-powered editing tools, and you have a camera that makes professional quality production accessible to anyone, regardless of skill level. The X4 Air is incredibly versatile when it comes to connectivity and editing. Pair it with your smartphone via the Insta360 app, and you can instantly edit your videos, add effects, and share them across social media platforms. The AI editing features are especially useful for beginners, as they can automatically generate highlight reels, track subjects, and apply smooth transitions, saving you hours of post-production work. For more advanced users, the app allows full control over editing, keyframing, and customizing your videos to create a unique style. This combination of simplicity and flexibility makes the X4 Air a great choice for both casual users and professional creators. Battery life is another aspect worth mentioning. The X4 Air comes with a battery that lasts long enough for most shooting sessions, whether you're out for a full day of travel, exploring new locations, or capturing sports activities. While it's not the longest-lasting battery in the market, having a backup or two can easily solve that issue. The camera charges quickly, so downtime is minimal. Pair that with its durable design and splash-proof body, and you have a reliable companion for almost any environment, from urban streets to remote hiking trails. For creators who love experimenting, the Insta360 X4 Air offers a wide range of shooting modes. You can capture traditional wide-angle footage, full 360-degree spherical videos, time-lapse sequences, hyperlapse, and even tiny planet effects, which turn your surroundings into a fascinating spherical panorama. These creative tools allow you to tell your stories in completely new ways, giving your content a unique edge over standard video formats. Whether you're creating travel vlogs, extreme sports montages, or cinematic storytelling, the X4 Air makes it fun and easy to explore creative possibilities. One thing that truly sets the X4 Air apart from its competitors is its user-friendly AI features. The camera itself, combined with the mobile app, can detect subjects, track motion, and even automatically reframe shots for cinematic impact. This is especially helpful for solo creators who want professional-looking footage without needing a camera operator. The app can also automatically stabilize footage, remove unwanted objects, and even extract traditional flat videos from your 360 degrees footage, so you get multiple formats from a single shoot. In terms of accessories, Insta360 provides a variety of mounts and attachments that expand the camera's potential. From selfie sticks to helmet mounts, these accessories allow you to capture angles and perspectives that would otherwise be impossible. The camera is compatible with standard tripods, gimbals, and even drones, further extending its creative capabilities. Essentially, the X4 Air is a small powerhouse that can adapt to almost any shooting scenario you can imagine. Another major advantage is the community and support Insta360 offers. Tutorials, tips, and creative inspiration are readily available online, helping users maximize the potential of their camera. Whether you're trying to master bullet time, nail the perfect time-lapse, or learn advanced editing techniques, there's a wealth of resources to help you elevate your content. For creators serious about producing high-quality, attention-grabbing videos, this is an invaluable support system. In conclusion, the Insta360 X4 Air is more than just an action camera. It's a gateway to immersive storytelling, creative experimentation, and professional quality content in a compact, portable package. Whether you're capturing epic adventures, crafting cinematic vlogs, or simply having fun experimenting with 360 degrees perspectives, this camera delivers versatility, performance, and ease of use in one neat little device. So, if you've been looking for a camera that can keep up with your creativity, adventures, and content ambitions, the Insta360 X4 Air might just be the perfect choice. It's reliable, fun, and packed with features that make every shot exciting and every video immersive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews, tech tips, and content creation insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.